How to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to install the Google Photos app from your Play Store. This feature can be applied on the iPhone as well as on Android. Okay, how to save or how to delete duplicate photos in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to open the Google Photos app. You can see here different options at the bottom. You have to move to the photos here. All the photos will appear that are present in your Google Photos account. You will see here which photos are same like this. We have to clear that photos. Click on the delete icon, move to the trash, click on the allow icon. In this way, before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. You can see here on your Google Photos desktop, duplicate photos will be deleted. Now you have to move to the library which is present at the bottom. Click on it. You can see here at the top there is a trash icon. Click on trash icon. Now you have to select photos from here and click on the delete icon. In this way, that duplicate photos will be deleted from your Google Photos account permanently. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.